Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to unfreeze Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, you have to go to Adobe Acrobat, then click on Edit, which is top left corner. You can see the cursor here, right? Edit option. Click on Edit. Now choose Preferences. Now you have to go to General option. This one, General. Now you have to uncheck this box. Show online storage when saving files. Uncheck this box. Make sure uncheck this one. Now you have to go multimedia and 3D, this option, multimedia and 3D. Now you have to uncheck this box, enable hardware rendering for legacy video cards. Click on this box, uncheck, just uncheck this box. After unchecking this one, you have to go to security enhance. Click on this security enhance, this option, and then you can see here enable enhance security. You should uncheck this box. Make sure uncheck this box and then click on cross. You're all set. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.